There you go. Back to J&J Sports Cards. Ripping some more product. Cal Ripken, 2007 Sweet Spot Classics. Jim Bone. And rip this shit open.
Let me get another thick pack. And we finally got we definitely got a letter patch, which is nice.
Hopefully it's somebody good.
Meaning we only have 4 cards, which I'll take this any day of the week. We got a Casey Stengel, New York Yankees, my favorite team. Unbelievable. And I'm going to go right to the back, see what we got on the back. It looks like a Honus Wagner. Number 19 of 25, manufactured patch.
Nice.
I've been wanting one of these.
Let me see. Maybe a little closer. Nice card.
Very nice. On the back. Oh, my favorite team again, the Spankies.
Okay, these things are loaded with Yankees.
Yes, they are.
Not a bad thing if you get the right one.
Yeah, well, I haven't got the right one yet.
There's another card in there still?
You got the auto. And the autograph
Another.
is good, boy. Washington. No, maybe not Washington. Washington Senator. It is Mickey Vernon. Sweet.
Never heard of him. I saw Mickey. I was like, oh, it could be Mickey Mantle. Didn't look like his M, so.
Nah, not very happy with the Mickey Vernon, but.
What's that Mickey Vernon number to?
175. Sweet. I'd have to say this was the savior. I know they're manufactured, they're not real, but nice felt look and feel to it. It's pretty nice. Number 19 of 25.
All right. Well, don't forget to go to jnjsportscards.com. Check out our box breaks, some other products we got on there.
It's actually under construction, I believe, right now, but should
be up soon. All right, folks. There it is. Have a good night.